So I just got home and cut up. This is a watermelon from my parents' garden. So some homegrown watermelon. Maybe I should try it for you guys. But I just cut up all my strawberries too. It's really sad that they're going out of season because I had to throw out like half of my batch. But I cut them all up. Okay, taste test of the watermelon. I'm just gonna take this small little piece. It's really good. They're just like super small. I don't know why. Probably because it's like the first year my dad said that he's gonna keep the seeds from this batch and put them in the ground for next year because apparently they're supposed to like grow better. Oh my god, I cannot shut this lid. Yeah, time to pop these in the fridge. Today's a leftovers kind of day because I have so many leftovers. Let me just show you guys the leftovers we have. So I have, where's this? This is mine. I just forget what it is. Oh, it's tomatoes. So I have some pizza, I have some pasta, some taco meat. Oh, you can't even see. Some pizza, some pasta, some taco meat. Our fridge smells so bad because we put black beans in it, and if you didn't know, black beans make your fridge smell really bad. So I need to eat all these leftovers, tacos, pizza, pasta. And I want to make a nasi bowl today, so I just don't have enough meals in the day to eat all my leftovers. But now I'm just gonna kind of get ready. Made some of my leftovers. This is just some leftover taco meat with Doritos, tomatoes, black beans, and cheese. But I went to work this morning, went straight from work to class. Now I'm at home. I was gonna go to the gym, but I figured I could just go tonight. After my brother's cross-country meet. It's in Denver, so it's a little bit of a drive, so I can study on the way there too. It's just so good.
Go! Hurry up! Go! Go get that kid! You gotta go! Run! Go! Go, Louie!
Okay guys, so I want to get back into vlogging. Oh, there's no place, I got my new car and there's no good place to put my phone while I'm driving. That's so sad, except right here. I guess that's fine. Can't really see my face, but wait. Ah! My screen's already cropped, so whatever. Ah. It's a struggle here with the iPhone, even if I had a camera though. Okay, so I'm sorry that the angle's so weird, but I want to get back into vlogging because I don't know, I got into a little funk where I just did not, I don't know, I feel very self-conscious about vlogging. It's like terrifying to me. I don't know, just because I'm from like small town Iowa, I feel like my life's not interesting, blah blah blah, but I do like doing it. So I just thought that I would, you know, take some videos. We'll see if I post it or not. And I'm starting, it's Saturday night, 7:30. I know, wild Saturday night for me. As you can tell, I am ready to go out. Did I fool anyone? What kind of laugh was that? But no, I'm on my way to the gym actually, because I've been in a little bit of a funk. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so we made it to the gym, and right now I'm just wearing Parker's white Nike plain sweatshirt, and then I'm wearing Gymshark biker shorts, and then I will be wearing just a black Nike sports bra. You can see my gym from right here. Yeah, it looks absolutely dead in there, so I'm excited. I love going to the gym when it's dead, because then I'm not as nervous to work out. But here there's like a back room where you can go. Maybe I'll show you guys. So it's not so scary because there's like nobody in there. But yeah, here we go. Guys, it's currently 8:08. I was in the middle of my workout in the back room, and the worker comes back to where I'm working out, and he's like, "We're closing." And I was like, "You guys close at 8 tonight?" And he was like, "Yeah." And it was 8:01. And I was like, "Oh my gosh, I'm so like," I was like, "My bad, I'll be out in a sec." And I finished my set of hip thrusts. Maybe I'll insert the clip here because I was taking a video when he came in. Oh, at 8? Oh, shoot, my bad. I'll be out in a sec. Alright, so I just got ready for bed, took my hair out of my ponytail. It's so greasy, so that's why it's so flat. But I just washed my face, brushed my teeth and everything, because I'm going to Parker's. I'm getting Starbucks, because if you get one today, you get a free one on the 25th or the 26th. So sorry for that glare when it does that. Try to get it on bed, me getting my coffee. I got the apple crisp macchiato, and I've been in line for 12 minutes. I mobile ordered, and my drink was supposed to be ready 6 minutes ago, and it probably was ready 6 minutes ago, but the drive-thru's taking forever. I think each person is waiting at the window for like 3 minutes. Here we go.
Hello.
Hi.
Charlize right?
Yeah.
There you go.
Thank you. You too. She looks pretty. A little caramel drizzle here. Okay. Let me show the taste test. 1 second. Gotta be going straight. Get this to work. Okay. This is what she looks like. She looks gorgeous. I need to mix her up before I try her, because that's what macchiatos are. It's milk on the bottom and then coffee on top. There's also, I think, apple crisp drizzle on the bottom there, which I don't know what that means. So I like caramel macchiatos. So I mean, Starbucks line is so long. Okay, it's very light colored. Just turn here. Oh, sorry, bus. Okay, let's try this. I'm at a red light. I mean, it's not bad. It's just not good. Like, I wouldn't order it again. It tastes like apple cider mixed with coffee. definitely tastes like fall. If you're looking for a fall drink, happy first day of fall. That's probably why they're doing the deal. Didn't put that together. Anyway, happy fall.